In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to decorate some spellbook cookies or biscuits, depending on where you are, what you call them. So this is just a really simple way of making some Halloween themed biscuits. I'm not going to show you the recipe though, because you can use whatever recipe you prefer. I will put a link down to a video that I have done of my favourite recipe that I like to use. It's really simple. So once you've got your dough ready, all nice and kneaded, you want to colour this. So I'm going to chop this into 3 and do 3 different colours. I'm going to use some paste food colouring, which I think works better, and I'm going to knead this in till it's all one colour. So I'm going to make some black, and then one of the other ones is going to be red and purple. So then you're going to need a book of cookie cutter. I got this one from Lakeland, and yeah, I didn't even know what I was going to do with this when I bought it. I just saw it and I thought, oh, something different. So I'm going to put some flour down on the side, roll it out, and just cut out, see, the book shapes, and then pop those in the oven to cook, and leave them on a cooling rack to cool down. So this is all pretty basic stuff of making any normal biscuits. Yeah, this was just a tester that I was doing for these, so these don't actually come out perfect because I did make a little mistake, which I'll tell you about when I get to that. So this is what it looks like when they're done. I did run out of enough coloured ones, so I mixed them all together. That's why you got your funny coloured ones in the corner over there. You basically get some icing and then outline where the pages would be on the book, and then we're going to take some slightly more runny icing and we're going to fill those pages up with icing and then let them dry. So you want it nice and hard. Now I kind of rushed it because it was getting kind of dark and I wanted to film this, so it weren't 100% dry when I was actually trying to decorate the next bit, which made it a bit hard to do. So what I'm doing to decorate these is I'm just taking some edible food colouring pens. These are just cheap ones I got at the supermarket. You don't have to, you can get like high quality ones that are a bit more expensive, but the cheap ones work fine. And you're just going to draw or write on these. So I'm going to try and draw the poisoned apple from Sleeping Beauty. Nope, not Sleeping Beauty, wrong one. Snow White. Sleeping Beauty pricked her finger. So I'm just going to try and draw that, and then write Sleeping Death on one side. And you can just literally write straight on top of the icing as well, because I've done a couple of those where I just done like double toil and trouble and that spell from Hocus Pocus where she turned Thackeray Binks into a cat. And this works so much better if you wait till the icing is really hard, because as you can see there's a bit of mistakes in mine because the pen went through. But that's it, simple as. Thanks for watching, bye.